Peel the skin of the sweet potato. Put the peeled potato in water so that it does not react with the air and change color. Cut it into slices. Put it in water for about 2 hours to get rid of any impurities. Strain the potatoes and throw away the water. Move the potatoes into a steamer. Steam for 1 hour. Check with a toothpick or chopsticks to see if they are soft. Put the steamed sweet potatoes in a bowl and mash them. Add the sugar and mix. The sugar should melt and mix easily due to the heat from the potatoes. Move the mashed sweet potato mix to a microwave-safe bowl. To make sure that it heats evenly, make a small hole in the middle of the bowl. Cover the bowl with wrap and microwave for 2 minutes. Add the salt and mix. Move the mixture to a Tupperware container before the mixture gets cold. If the mixture gets cold, it will harden and become difficult to work with. Put a cloth on top of the mold and press it into shape. You may also use wrap. Wait for the yokan to cool off. If the bottom of the mold is cool, then it is ready. When the yokan cools off, there may be a gap between the mold and the yokan. Cut it. It was easy, wasn't it? Make sure that refrigerate the yokan and eat it within a few days.